Welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Today is Wednesday, June the 23rd, 2021. I'll give a big shout out to all my fans yesterday. Okay, well, we had no views yesterday, but we can make up for that today. What I need for you, I need to step up to the plate today, Ohio. Click on that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today, all right? Okay, before we get started, while we're getting started, I also want to remind you, I know I'm like a broken record, but we really do need to keep this in mind. And that's that, according to the governor's office, uh, COVID-19 deaths for the fourth quarter of 2020 were undercounted by close to 4,000. Now, rather than go back and adjusting the numbers for 2020, they decided just to add those numbers on to February 11th, 12th, and 13th, which of course produces a huge spike, basically buries all the rest of the numbers. So what I've done is I replaced those 3 dates with the average number of deaths for those 3 dates. And then on top of that, I do a 7 day move. I plot a 7 day moving average. Okay, let's just run this right here and see exactly how this looks. All right. Okay, as you can see, this is where I replaced these 3 days with the average number of deaths. Okay, this is the raw numbers for the raw data for Ohio data cases. Here are some system descriptive summer statistics. Okay, and here's the month. We got this huge dip down here, then back over here. Somewhere around in here, these are the 3 days where they added the cases back on. The fourth quarter here, okay, was missing 4,000. This is January, so it's probably over here. They did this. And now here's that 7-day moving average on top of the other data. You can see that the trend is still downward, which is the best news. The trend is still downward for deaths. Trend is still downward for cases. Okay? So that's a very simple point. Again, I want to emphasize that the trend is our friend. Okay. The numbers themselves are not as important as you might think. It's simply what matters is this number here. Because according to that, okay, so there's our date starting from December 2020. Okay. So Buckeye Nation, that does conclude your report for today. But again, before I let you go, be sure to click that share button. Share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter account today. Thanks so much, Buckeye Nation, for your time. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.